In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install YouTube Studio app. Let's get started. First, I open a new tab in my Google Chrome browser and head over to the search bar. I type in YouTube and press enter to search. From the search results, I click on the official YouTube link to open the website. Once YouTube loads, I navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on my profile icon. A drop-down menu appears, and from the available options, I select YouTube Studio. This opens up the YouTube Creator Studio in a new tab. Now that I am on my channel dashboard, I can easily access my content and channel settings. On the left sidebar menu, I click on Content to view my uploaded videos and shorts. I can browse through my channel content, check visibility, view count, and manage video details directly from here. To install YouTube Studio as a web app on your desktop, look at the top right corner of your Chrome address bar. Click on the Install App icon. A prompt will pop up asking if you want to install the app. Just click Install. Once installed, YouTube Studio will open in its own separate window, and a shortcut will be added to your desktop for quick access anytime without opening Chrome first. And that's how you access and set up YouTube Studio right from your browser. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.